Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch CazéTV live on YouTube. First, open settings. Here, check your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is working properly. Now go back. Open App Store or Google Play Store. Here, search for YouTube. Now update YouTube app if update is available. Now go back. Here, search for Super VPN. Now install this VPN. After installing, open it. Now here tap on location. Scroll down. In the last, select Brazil. Now go back. Open YouTube. Here search for CazéTV. Now open official channel. Here select on live. Here you can see all lives are scheduled, so you can watch them easily. So by this method you can watch CazéTV live on YouTube. So this is the video guys. Please like the video and subscribe my channel.